Hi guys, I'm about to do Undermount sink and the template this, where it is. Already marked the space it needs to go into. I just need to know the cutouts inside. So I've got a tool in here, I'm going to show you in a minute. Here goes. It's called Magnetrace. Imagine a piece of kit. So I can open it one hand. Should be okay. I think it's done now. Right. There's the tool. It's got its own stand. And it's got pencils in the box as well. You will see there. And I'm about to do perfect cutout lines with this one. There you go. Separate from there. Just adjust it again. Perfect. Turn the lights on.